creating your peaceful sanctuary, a guided meditation. Gently close your eyes and just being aware of your body and the parts of your body touching the surfaces on which you are sitting. Be aware of your buttocks on the seat or the cushion. Be aware of your hands in your lap or on your thighs. Take your awareness to your back and make sure your back is straight, but at the same time relaxed. Move your chin just a little toward your neck to help straighten your back. And now take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe out a long, slow breath through your nose, letting go any tension, releasing any tension with your outward breath. And draw in another deep breath, this time breathing all the way down into your abdomen. And as you breathe out, letting any tightness melt away, letting go, being soothed by the breath. And once more, take in a long, slow, deep breath, breathing all the way down into your abdomen, feeling your abdomen pushing out. And as you slowly breathe out, let the exhalation be slow and gentle, relaxing your whole body more and more, letting your body be still more and more relaxed, and your mind to be still more and more relaxed. And breathe naturally, breathing freely and easily, listening to these words and allowing them to be there, but letting them come and go as you receive this guidance, knowing that you are the producer and director of your life and that you are in control at all times. Take in a deep breath, and as you breathe out, let yourself go deeper and deeper, and breathing naturally, going even deeper, and counting from 10 to 1. 10, feeling very relaxed. 9, 8, relaxed and going deeper and deeper. 7, 6, relaxing more and more. 5, 4, relaxing deeper and deeper, feeling very relaxed, very heavy. 3, 2, so very deep and relaxed. And 1, deeply relaxed, very deeply relaxed. And now imagine that you are walking along a path. You are irresistibly drawn along this path, and it is leading you to your own peaceful sanctuary where you can always experience calm and contentment. Look down and see what sort of path you are walking on. Is it narrow or wide? Is it made of earth or stones or perhaps shells? Perhaps it is a tiled path or one that has been specially made out of some other materials. It may be a path strewn with flower petals or glittering crystals. It may be a pathway in space that leads to another galaxy or dimension. See or feel this magical path in your mind. You continue to walk along the path, breathing freely and easily, and there before you is the open canvas on which you can build your sacred place. You may be outside in the mountains, by a lake or a stream, at the beach or in a forest. Your place may be in the billowing clouds. Your sanctuary could be inside. If so, what would that be like? Perhaps it may be a grand house, a palace or a cave, perhaps a monastery or a simple rustic cottage. Feel where you would be most relaxed. Now look around you. What can you see? Are there trees and birds here? Are there flowers, ferns or grass? What can you hear? Is there the sound of water tumbling over rocks, the song of birds, the wind rustling the leaves in the trees, waves lapping on the shore, or absolute silence? What is it that you can hear in your calm and peaceful sanctuary? What can you smell here? Logs burning on a fire, the salty sea breeze, the dampness of the forest floor, or the fragrance of flowers? You are the designer and builder of your safe place. So now decide how it is going to be. Is there a floor? If so, what is it made out of? Wood, earth, sand, timber, or some other material? Are there walls in your special place? What about a roof? What is it made out of? What materials have you chosen? Or is your roof the open sky, or the shade from overhanging tree branches that forms your sanctuary? If it is a special room, does it have windows you can look out of? What do you see now? Now furnish and color your peaceful sanctuary whatever style and shades you love. Draw on the colors and textures of nature and put these into your sanctuary. If you are inside, decide on the furniture that makes your place comfortable and the decorations you love. Perhaps there are hand-woven rugs on the floor, or gentle and friendly creatures that you invite to your place. Have you gathered nature's gifts to adorn your haven like shells or flowers or rays of sunshine? Decorate your place with your favorite things. Breathing freely and easily, look about your peaceful sanctuary and see if there is anything else you need to add, knowing that whenever you come here, you will sink quickly into deep relaxation. Now include something to sit on like a plump cushion or softly padded chair. Perhaps your seat could be a smooth mountain ledge or a beach chair. This is your seat that whenever you come to your sanctuary, you can sit in it, knowing that you can sink into deep relaxation and calm. Continue to breathe freely and easily, and sit now on your marvelous chair or on your fantastic cushion or whatever is right for you, and feel yourself letting go, all tension, all tightness draining away. Feel the softness of the textures you have chosen and absorb the colors and patterns of the material that you love. Now slowly stand up and leave your place. You move through an exit that opens only to your signal or command. Perhaps it is pressing a series of digits on a panel, or a wave of your hand, or certain words, or just your presence that opens to your safe place. Whenever you come to your calm and relaxing sanctuary, use your code to gain entry. You can now look back at what you have created, knowing that you can come here at any time, knowing that you are always calm and peaceful here, and that you can change or add to your sanctuary at any time. Turning, you look back at this special place, your peaceful sanctuary, and walk down the path. And now bringing your consciousness back in the room, counting from 1 to 5. 1, feeling any sensations in your hands. 2, gently moving your fingers. 3, being aware of your feet on the floor. 4, being aware of your breath. And 5, being fully present in the room. Now take a deep and clearing breath and gently open your eyes.